5th day of Christmas, simple salad. I've just got some greens, so some baby spinach and iceberg lettuce just to give it that bit of crunch. I've just popped some broccoli in some boiling salted water. Haven't even boiled it, just boiling salted water. So just pop that in, let it cool obviously. And I've just freshly picked these beautiful broad beans. Fresh from the garden, we've just shelled them. They're really, really fantastically healthy, just raw in the salad. They're super yum. Even our kids love them. Cherry tomatoes. Lovely salad onion, bit of red onion. And the best bit, well, the second best bit, some Lockley and feta cheese. This is from 1U, local feta cheese. You want to go out there, it's absolutely fantastic. Beautiful creamy cheese. They have a great range of artisan cheeses. Wash my hands there. And the best bit yet, our Yarrawonga Splash. This is made from, it has no sugar in it, so it's extra virgin olive oil, apple cider vinegar. It has a bit of honey, you know, olive blossom honey, so I guess it does have a bit of sugar. And just a few herbs and spices. Delicious, super healthy. Splash it on your salad, give it a good shake. And there you go, salad in 30 seconds. Enjoy.